Hajj, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hajj is a sacred journey to the holy city of Makkah performed by Muslims from around the world. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and a beautiful act of worship. During Hajj, believers stand equal before Allah, dressed in simple white garments. They remember the sacrifices of Prophet Ibrahim a.s. and his family with deep faith. Hajj teaches patience, humility, and complete submission to Allah. Millions of hearts unite in prayer, seeking forgiveness and mercy. It is a journey that cleanses the soul and brings a person closer to Allah. Those who perform Hajj return with a heart full of peace and spiritual strength. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and join our learning family for more English magic.